thoughts on tech video.
GoPro finally announced the launch date of the next lineup of cameras, 1st of October 2019 with this trailer. If you look at the short teaser of the Hero 8, it looks a lot like this. The usual status LCD and the new embossed GoPro logo under it are visible. And the short teaser of the GoPro Max looks also a lot like what was already leaked. This is the banner of the release event on YouTube. Here you can see on the bottom of the camera the rounded retractable new mount. The YouTube channel 360 Rumors released some exclusive videos of the GoPro Max, and the design is the expected. It is pretty clear how the cameras that GoPro will release on the 1st of October look like. What still's unknown are the specifications, but also here there are new hints. It seems like the GoPro Max will have a normal, 180-degree video mode, where the max resolution will be 1440p, probably not higher than that because of the lens design. Using more of the sensor would mean too much distortion. And finally, one more thing against the idea of a resolution of 4K with 120 FPS on the Hero 8. If that was to be the case, why tease with 4K 60 FPS on the status LCD?